Well, the serviceman, people are here servicing my refrigerator, and look at this. Evaporator is surrounded by thick frost and pretty much a damn mess in here. Well, hopefully the old Roper will live. I mean, the service people went out to their vehicle to get something, but inside of the freezer, and kind of show you this here. I mean, it's kind of mind-boggling to tell the truth, and they're telling me it was probably froze up for a long time, judging by the evidence. But only problem I've had with my refrigerator in my 21 years of owning it, that's for sure. Here's the problem. This defrost relay or whatever that is bad, and think they're coming inside right now and think they're gonna carry on with replacing that. All right, this goes to show you how much better vintage appliances are than trash modern day appliances. In my 21 years of owning this refrigerator, this was all that was wrong with it. The previous relay, that was, inside in the freezer compartment, I mean, gave up its ghost. And they just replaced the relay, the defrost relay to it, and now it's running just fine. This is the one and only problem I've had with my refrigerator in 21 years. Bought this brand new back in 2001 whenever I moved into this house, so 21 years old, and it's still kicking after a little bit of babying up. But look inside, no more frost, all cleared off. The air coming out of there feels like there's a lot more air coming out these vents, and can tell it's cooling a lot more efficiently. And of course, the refrigerator compartment, and it's feel a little bit more air coming out the back duct there. So back to its former glory, and I hope it will hang in there for at least another 5 to 10 years. Go vintage appliances, you totally rock, and modern day appliances are only shit. That only lasts not more than 5 years often, but hats off to vintage appliances. Y'all rock.